we continue statistics?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Here are the
I gave you
answers to
one
the
homework.
in this.
Were you able to do?
Yes,
Did you
ma'am.
have the time?
Yes,
Did you
yes,
have
ma'am.
time? Okay. So mean, median, mode are called as the measures of central tendency. Any idea why it is called like that? Can you tell me why it is called measures? Hear me.
Ma'am, these are the terms and the measures which are used everywhere in every career. Like,
What is the meaning of central? Center.
ma'am, middle.
Middle, ma'am.
Correct. Tendency. What is the meaning of tendency?
Ma'am, zigzag movement of a particle.
What?
Ma'am, capacity. Ma'am, capacity.
Okay, sometimes some tendency means it appears to go towards it, towards the center. An inclination to go to the center. Center of what? Center of
Data.
the data. So if you take the mean, median, mode, all of them will be near the center of the data. Okay. Central value. Center means middle value. Okay. So all this mean, median, mode, they appear to be in the center. For instance, see for instance, if you have, give me some data, some marks, give me some marks.
Ma'am, 15, 13, 7.
15, then
13.
13, 12, 11, 10, 11.
15, ma'am.
15,
12, ma'am.
Ma'am,
12,
17.
19.
okay, enough.
20.
19, 20, enough. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 values are there. So how do you calculate mean? You add up everything and divide by 10, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
9 plus 7. 9 plus 7.
16, ma'am.
16 plus 2.
18, ma'am.
18, ma'am.
Plus 5. Plus 5.
23, ma'am.
Plus 1.
24.
24.
Plus 2. Plus 2.
26.
26.
Plus 3.
29.
29.
Plus 5. Plus 5.
34.
34.
34.
4 carry 3. 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Divide by,
10.
10. 10.
so 14.4.
4.
So median, for finding the median, first you have to write it in ascending order. Which is the smallest?
10, ma'am.
11, ma'am. 10, ma'am.
11, 12,
12.
12.
12,
13.
13,
15.
15,
15.
17,
17. Ma'am. 19, 20.
17, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So which are the two middle values? 13 and
13
15.
and 15, ma'am.
So 10 by 2 is 5, 5th and 6th. So 13 plus 15 by 2 is
14, ma'am.
14, ma'am. 14.
14, ma'am.
Mode is which is repeated most. Two
Ma'am,
values are
12 and
repeated.
15.
12 and 12, ma'am. 10 and 12.
15.
So if there are two modes, it is called bimodal. Bimodal. Bi means two. So here 14.4, 14, 12 and 15, they lie in the center of the data. Correct? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
They
ma'am.
lie in the middle of the data. That is why they are called as measures of central tendency. They tend to be at the center of the data. Okay? Hello?
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So we'll continue with our video.
This topic, you will learn about mean, median, and mode. Consider the executives shown here. The concept of mean can help us find out the average salary of an executive. But what if the group we consider has very highly paid executives, as well as executives who are paid very little? In this case, the median will reflect the average of the data. Now, suppose out of 100 executives, 60 have the same salary. In this case, the mode reflects the average of the data.
What is the difference between average and mean?
Ma'am, both are same, ma'am. Same.
Both are same,
ma'am.
Correct.
Statistical data has the tendency to concentrate around a central value. A single value that presents a picture of the entire data is called the measure of central tendency. The three measures of central tendency are mean, median, and mode. You will now learn to compute the mean of a set of observations. Let x1, x2, x3, and so on up to xn be the given set of observations. Then, the mean of the data is equal to the sum of all observations upon the number of observations. Hence, the mean x bar is equal to sigma xi upon n, I tending from 1 to n, where sigma means summation.
Here I equal to 1 to n, what does that mean? Sigma xi, I equal to 1 to n, tending to n. Summation means what?
Adding, ma'am. Sum, ma'am.
Correct.
Sum,
Correct.
Sum,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Total. I equal to 1 to n means from the initial value, that is the first value, to the nth value. Okay? Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Let's consider a few examples to better understand the concept of mean. The weights in grams of 10 oranges are shown. Find out the average weight of an orange.
You know how to do
On
it.
dividing the heights in centimeters of 5 people are shown.
You know how to do it. Add up everything and divide by
5. 5, ma'am.
yeah.
Find out the arithmetic mean of the
Here arithmetic means the average. 10 odd natural numbers are
1, 1 to 10. 5,
1, 3, 5, 7.
1,
huh,
3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15,
first
20.
10. First 10 means you have to count.
first 10 odd natural numbers. The first 10 odd natural numbers are shown here.
Why they have gone
Using
up
the
to
formula
19? Why it's gone up to 19? Why?
Ma'am, they have asked first 10 odd natural numbers.
Correct.
Let us now study the method used to find out the mean of an ungrouped frequency distribution. Let x1, x2, x3, and so on up to xn be the given observations such that x1 occurs f1 times, x2 occurs f2 times, and so on. The sum of the observations is equal to f1x1 plus f2x2 plus f3x3 and so on up to fnxn, which is denoted by sigma fixi, I tending from 1 to n. The number of observations is equal to f1 plus f2 plus f3 and so on up to fn, which is denoted by sigma fi, I tending from 1 to n. Hence, the mean is given by the formula shown.
How will you find F1, X1?
By multiplying f into x.
Correct.
Consider an example. Find out the mean of the data shown.
So what is the first step now? What is the next step?
Finding
X into
fx,
f.
ma'am.
Yes,
Finding
ma'am.
fx, ma'am.
15 into 4, 25 into 3, 35 into 5, 45 into 2. And then we add up and then divide. Divide by what? Which number will you divide it by?
Ma'am, 20.
6 plus 4 plus
Correct.
3 plus 5 plus 2.
Correct, 20.
Find out the mean of the data shown in the given table.
So you'll multiply 19, 13, 21, 15, 23, 16, 25, 18, 27, 16, 29, 15, 31, 13. Then you will add up and then divide by the sigma fi.
Sum of 13.
Yes, sum
The
of it.
weights of 12 people.
Here 12 people it's given. So 16 into 4, 70 into 3, 72 into 2, 73 into 2, 75 into 1. Add up everything and divide by 12.
If the mean of
Here the mean is given. You have to find the missing data, missing observation. What is the answer? 6 plus 4, 4 plus 7 plus 10. How much?
13 equal to p.
27. 6 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10. 27 plus p. Divide
Equal
by?
to 4. 5,
Divide
ma'am.
by? 5 equal to 8.
5, ma'am.
Why 4?
9 to 8
27
equal
plus
to
p.
40.
How much
13,
you
ma'am.
got?
P is equal to
Ma'am, p is equal to 13.
6, 4, 7, p and 10 is 8, then find out the value of p. We know that the mean is sigma xi upon n, I tending from 1 to n. On substituting the given values in the formula for mean, we get the value of p as 13. If the mean of 6,
Same thing is coming again.
4, 7,
Not getting the next slide.
in this topic, you will learn about mean, median, and mode. Consider the executives shown here. The concept of mean can help us find out the average salary of an executive. But what if the group we consider has very highly paid executives? Let's consider a few examples to better understand the concept of mean. The weights in grams of 10 oranges are shown. The heights in centimeters. Find out the arithmetic. Find out the weight if the mean of
Mean of x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6 is and x plus 8 is 11. Find out the mean of the first three. First find the value of x. X plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 8. How much? How many x's are there?
5, ma'am.
5x.
5x plus number
20, ma'am.
20. 5x plus 20 divided by
5.
5, ma'am.
equal to 11. So 5x plus 20 equal to
Equal to 7.
55. 5x equal to 35. X equal to
7.
7. What are the first three numbers? 7,
9.
9,
11.
11. Total
7. No, ma'am.
7 plus 9 plus 11.
27, ma'am. Divided by 3 is 9, ma'am.
So the answer is 9.
Let's now understand another measure of central tendency called the median. The median is a measure of central tendency which gives the value of the middlemost observation in the data. For example, in the pictures shown, the central figure is called the median. We will now learn to calculate the median of an ungrouped data. When the given data is arranged in ascending or descending order, then the median is calculated according to the number of observations. If n is odd, then the median is equal to the n plus 1 upon 2th observation. If n is even, then the median is equal to n upon 2th observation plus n upon 2 plus 1th observation whole divided by 2.
Do you understand this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
N is odd. Supposing n is 7. So 7 plus 1 by 2. 8
4.
by 2. Fourth observation. Now, if n is 8, then 4 plus 4th observation plus 5th observation divided by 2.
Consider an example. The weights
So what is the median here? It's already arranged in ascending order.
26, ma'am.
76, ma'am.
76.
76, ma'am.
find out the median of the first 8 prime.
Which are the first 8 prime numbers?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
No.
2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13,
17,
19, ma'am.
13, 17, 19.
1 is not a prime number. 1 is unique number. Starting from 2.
Yes, ma'am.
2, 3, 5,
5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19.
13, 19 and 23. Add up and then not add up. Write it in ascending order. 8 numbers are there. So 4th and 5th number. You have to add and divide by 2.
Prime numbers.
6, ma'am.
First, identify the
9,
first
ma'am.
8 prime numbers.
9,
Here,
ma'am.
the number of observations
ma'am.
is even. Therefore,
Correct.
the median is
9,
equal to
ma'am.
the
9, ma'am.
fourth term plus the fifth term whole divided by 2, which is equal to 9. Find out the median of the first 11 multiples of
So multiples of 3 will start from, which is the first number?
3, ma'am.
3
Three.
tables.
3, ma'am.
3 tens are 30, 3 11s are?
33.
So from 3 to 33. So it is 11. 11 means 11 plus 1 by 2. How much? 11, 11 plus 1 by 2? 11
6,
plus
ma'am.
1? 6
6.
observation is the median.
determine the median.
Here 24, 23, A minus 1, 12, 16. Where A is the mean of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. What is the value of A?
30, ma'am. 30, ma'am.
30. So A minus 1?
29.
29.
29.
So 30, 29. Now what is the median? 7 are there.
Ma'am, answer is 23.
Answer is? Which is the median, you tell me. Now A is
Ma'am, 29.5.
29 is the median, ma'am.
29.
29.5. 29.5, ma'am.
89.5 because 30 plus 29 divided by 2.
Arrange the data in ascending order. Since the number of terms is 6, an even number, we get the median equal to 23.5. The mode
You
is
gave
the
a
value
different
which occurs
value,
most.
different answer.
Arrange the data in ascending order.
Ma'am, I said 23.
You said 23. Somebody said something.
Determine the median of 24.
This is written in descending order, no? We should not get
Yes, ma'am.
different answer. We should not get different answer.
Arrange the data in ascending order. Since the number of terms is 6, an even
23.5.
number, we get the mode is the value which occurs most often in a set of observations. This measure is useful when the most common or the most popular item needs to be identified. For example, consider the numbers shown. In this data, the number 35 occurs most often. Hence, the mode of the data is 35. Here are few examples.
What is the mode?
One 20, ma'am.
120, ma'am.
2.2.
2, ma'am.
2.2,
2.2, ma'am.
2.2, ma'am.
Find out the modal wage from the data shown in the given table.
What is the modal data? Which is the highest frequency?
225, that is 25, ma'am.
225.
225, ma'am.
21.
Yeah, mode is 225 because that has the highest frequency.
If the mode of
Mode is 7. Find out the value of x. How many times 6 is repeated?
2 times, ma'am. 2 times.
5?
2 times.
5?
Yes, ma'am. 3 times, ma'am.
Answer 3, ma'am.
3 times.
What is the value of
7,
x
ma'am.
if mode is 7.
7, ma'am.
Correct.
7, ma'am.
Now, try these questions and check.
Homework. Will you do?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Six questions are there. I'll send it in WhatsApp also. Okay. So all are over. Shall we do quiz?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Which one you want? Measures of central tendencies, pictorial
Yes, ma'am.
representation.
Measures of
Measures of central
central
tendency.
tendency.
Okay. So one by one, we should. Shall I call out?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
One by one. Start with Anjali. Aishwarya, not Anjali. Aishwarya,
yes, ma'am.
you have to answer this. Find out the mean.
C option, ma'am.
See. Next. You don't know your order. You can answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Akash, find out the mean of the first 5 composite numbers. What are composite numbers?
They have more than 2 or 1 factors.
Correct. So which is the first composite number?
4, ma'am.
4, ma'am.
4, ma'am.
4.
4, ma'am.
Next, 4, then
6,
6,
ma'am.
ma'am.
8, ma'am. 9,
6,
ma'am.
ma'am.
10,
8,
ma'am.
ma'am. 9, ma'am.
8,
10.
ma'am. 9, ma'am.
4, 6, 8, 10,
9.
10,
9,
9,
10, ma'am.
9, 10,
12.
first 5, only 10, up to 10. First 5, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Add up and divide by 5. Akash,
7.4, ma'am. 7.4.
7.4. Next, Anjali. Anjali, find out the mean of first 6 multiples of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. Add up. Add and divide by 6.
Second option, ma'am.
Second option. Correct. Next is Bhumika. Bhumika,
Yes, ma'am.
you have to find the mean of this. X and F are given. How much you got?
Ma'am, option 3.
Option 3. 3 or 4?
3, ma'am.
What is the total? What total you got? 80, 320,
360, 560.
560. What?
1,320, ma'am. Total.
1320 divided by?
4,
Divided
ma'am.
by
50, ma'am.
50, ma'am.
50.
8 plus 60 plus 12 plus 40.
So how much you got when you divide?
26.4.
Yes. Next, Dhanaya.
Yes, ma'am.
Dhanaya, you have to answer. Mean of the data is 7. If each observation is increased by 2, what will be the new mean?
D option, ma'am. 9.
How you go? How did you get? You get?
That's correct.
So they have not given how many observations are there. So if the each is increased by 2, mean will also be increased by 2. Your answer is very good. Very good, Danaya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next is Lakshmi. Lakshmi, find the median. 385179. Arrange in ascending order, find the middle number. Lakshmi is not there.
That's correct.
Okay. Next, Madhumita.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to answer. The mean of 13, 15, 19, M and 29 is 20. Find the value of M. What's your answer? Madhumita, add up everything. What is 13 plus 15 plus 19 plus 29?
Ma'am, answer is 24. Option 1.
Option 1. Next, Mahalakshmi. Mahalakshmi,
Yes, ma'am.
find the median of 5, 15, 20, 8 and 12. Median.
Ma'am, 12.
12. Mahantesh.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Median. Median is 20. Find the value of M. 13, 15, 19, M, 23, 29. 6 are there, no? 19 plus M by 2. What's your answer, Mahantesh?
Option 3, ma'am.
Option 3. Next is Naveen.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to answer this. Now they have given the median. You have to find, you have to find the median. Data is arranged in ascending order. Twelve are there. Sixth and seventh. A minus 3, A plus 5 by 2. A minus 3 plus A plus 5 is
2A plus 2 divided by 2.
2A plus 2 divided by 2. That is 2A by 2 is A. 2 by 2 is 1. A plus 1. But the answer is they have given us numbers. You think the data is okay? Question is okay?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
They should give the value of the median and ask us to find the value of A, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
They are not given. But that A minus 3, A plus 5 will be in between 51 and 58, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So shall I put anything? 44.
Ma'am,
Can we put
54. 54. Ma'am, 54. Ma'am.
54, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, because it is lying between 51 and 88. No, ma'am.
Correct. Next is after Naveen, Pavan,
Yes, ma'am.
find the mode.
First option, ma'am.
First option. Very good. Pooja? No, not Pooja. Pavitra,
Yes, ma'am.
find the median of the first 5 multiples of 11.
Ma'am, 33.
Yeah, no need to calculate anything. Pooja,
Yes, ma'am.
find the median of the first 10 prime numbers.
Ma'am, option D, 12.
12, ma'am. Next is Sachin. Last
Yes, ma'am.
last answer. An observation that occurs maximum number of times in the data is called
More, ma'am.
correct. So now time is up. It's Sanjana, Shravan,
Yes, ma'am.
Shweta. You all want to answer or you want to close? Shall I close the class?
Ma'am, we want to answer.
You want to answer? Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
So Sanjana Todakar will answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Which one of the following is the formula of the mean in grouped data?
Ma'am,
Which is the
option
correct?
3.
Very good. Excellent. Sanjana Chittapache. Sanjana Chittapache. Median of 19 observations. 19 plus 1 by 2. What is the correct answer? Sanjana? Sanjana Chittapache.
Ma'am, first one, ma'am.
First one. Next is Shravan.
Yes, ma'am.
There are 12 observations and the median is the average of 12 by 2.
C option, ma'am. 6 times.
Correct. Next is Shweta.
Yes, ma'am.
How many measures of central tendency are there? Easy question.
3. Option 2, ma'am.
No need to calculate also for you. Sneha,
Yes, ma'am.
how will you find the mode of the data?
Option 3, ma'am.
Easy for you. Next is Spurti.
Yes, ma'am.
Mean of the data is 20. Number of observation is 6. Sum of all the observations is dash.
120, ma'am.
Very good. Super. Very nice children. Next is Sujata.
Yes, ma'am.
Mode of the data is 45. 2 observations 24. X appears 4 times. Then X equal to. Mode of the data is 45. The 2 observations 24 and X appear 4 times each. 24 comes 4 times. X also comes 4 times. What is the value of x? And mode is 45. 24.
23, ma'am.
20.
21, ma'am.
21, ma'am.
How? How?
24 plus 21 is
24 plus
45.
x equal to 45, ma'am. 45 minus 20 is 21.
No.
Oops, that is incorrect.
Oh. Ma'am,
Mode of
24.
the
45, ma'am. 45.
Oops.
45, ma'am.
45, ma'am.
45, ma'am.
That's correct.
what is the explanation given? See. The two observation 24 and x appear the same number of times. The mode is 45. So x should be 45 because then it will appear 5 times. Next. Who's next? Purtya. Sujata?
Yes, ma'am.
If the number of observations, the data is even, then the median is dash.
Option A, ma'am.
Centermost. If it is even,
Ma'am, option C. Option C, ma'am.
Option C, ma'am. Option C.
That's correct.
average of the center. Okay. Next, last.
Yes,
Sahana,
ma'am.
given 13 observations, the middle observation is p minus 3. Find the value of p if the median is 25.
22, ma'am.
22.
Ma'am, 28. 28, ma'am. 28, ma'am.
P minus 3 is 25. P equal to
25 plus.
That's correct.
So everybody has answered. Sanjana, Pavitra, everyone answered. Very good, children. Excellent. Sorry, I joined late today. As I told you, I was busy doing something and I didn't realize. Then I saw the message, is there class? And immediately I came. Okay, children, shall we end the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good night, ma'am.